My name is Kishorechand Wangkhem. I'm a journalist from Manipur, India, currently working with Imphal Free Press. I have been a victim of repression against the dissents carried out by the authority. I was first arrested on August 9, 2018 for criticizing the government's handling of Manipur University crisis then. I was released on bail on the medical ground after 3 days on August 13, 2018. After that, I was again arrested on sedition charge on November 20, 2018 for criticizing an event organized by the state government. I was locked up in police custody for 6 days, and I was produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Imphal West, on November 26, 2018. The Chief Judicial Magistrate granted me bail on the ground that the sedition charge against me was not relevant. However, the authority on the very next day, the 27th November 2018, picked me up from my house and detained me under Draconian National Security Act. I was in jail. We appealed to the High Court against the National Security Act slapped against me. Different section of people, different section of organizations, different human rights defenders, human rights organizations, especially Human Rights Law Network, came up and stood behind me for my cause. And I'm really indebted to all the individuals, all the organizations, especially Human Rights Law Network, for the support they extended for me. After much struggle, the High Court of Manipur quashed the National Security Act against me on April 8, 2019. And I was finally released from the prison on April 10, 2019. Now, what is the matter of concern? What is worrying me more is that this repressive measures used by the authority is prevalent even today. The repressive measures are still being imposed against any dissent voices, against anyone who raises questions against the government. Most recently, there have been instances where where a lot of people were put in police custody, were put in judicial custody, were even summoned in police station to clarify for their Facebook posts, raising questions against the handling of COVID-19 crisis by the state government in Manipur. Now, what I believe that this is not just happening in Manipur, in my state, this is happening across the country, India. And this is not a very healthy sign for the true sense of democracy to flourish. I believe that this attempt of the government, attempt of the authority to gag, to silence anyone who questions the government, will bring a very negative repercussion in the long term. The very fabric of democracy will be ruined. So every right-thinking person, every right-thinking organization should come up and then speak up and then point out anything, any loophole in the government. Otherwise, it will be too late. Thank you.